Hello students, today we are going to learn about operators in Python. So there are various types of operators in Python like arithmetic operators, relational operators, logical operators, assignment operators, bitwise operators. So one by one we will have the look on each type of operator. First we will have the look on arithmetic operators.
Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus and exponent and floor division. Addition is used to perform addition operation between two input data values. Subtraction is used for subtracting or doing the operation of subtraction between two input values. This asterisk symbol, it is used for multiplication. Multiplication is used to perform multiplication operation between the two input data values. Division operator is used to perform the division operation between two input data values. Mod operator is this percentage symbol, it is called as modulus operator. Modulus operator is used to return remainder of the division operation performed between the two values. Then double asterisk is used for exponent, which performs the exponential calculation on the inputs given. And double slash operator is used for the floor division. Floor division means it gives you the it performs the floor division operation between two input data, which retains the quotient of the division operation. The decimal points of the quotient, it will be removed from the result. If your result is getting 4.5, but it will display only 4. It will not include 0.5 in the result. Just we'll see that operations with the help of Python. Okay. The first is plus symbol. Okay. I'll take 4 plus 5. Then it is displaying the addition of 4 plus 5. Getting 4.5 plus 5.5. Again, it is going to display the addition thing. See, the first operation, this plus operation we have done with the integer values where decimal points are not there. Okay, 4 plus 5. Then second, it is performing with the decimal point fractional number, which is called as, so it is going to display 4.5 plus 5.5, 10.0 in the floating value. Now see, if I am doing 4.5 plus 5, one is integer and one more is the float value. So display you the output in the float value. See, if any one value is float, so output will be displayed in the float. That is subtraction. 45 minus 5. 45.5 minus 5.7. 45.5 minus 5. Getting? Then next is multiplication. 4 into 5. 4 5s are 20. 5.5 into 2. So it is going to display 11.0 because one value is float. So the always result will be displayed in float. If any one value is float, result will be displayed in the format of float. Getting? Okay. Now next is division. Okay. Slash. Division is used with the slash symbol. So 9 by 2. The output is 4.5. So the modulus operator. Modulus operator is, it is used to give the remainder from the value. For example, in 9 by 2, if I am dividing 9 by 2, then what will be the remainder?
One.
Is displaying you reminder. Okay. Next is double asterisk. Double asterisk, this symbol is used for the modulus 8. So it is giving you reminder 145 modulus 2. It is given. Sorry, asterisk. 45 modulus 2. It is giving you reminder 1. Okay. Likewise, modulus operator is used for the remainder. Then next is double asterisk. Double asterisk is used for the exponential. 2 double asterisk 2. What is the meaning? It is going to display you 2 raised to 2. That is 4. 2 raised to 3. That is 8.
8.
2 raised to 5. That is 32. Okay. Exponential. That is, it is going to display exponential between the two operators. Now next is double slash. Double slash gives you the floor division, quotient of the division operation without decimal points. 9 divided by 2. Okay, the actual output of 9 by 2 is 4.5, but it is displaying only 4 values.
4.
Okay, so we'll have now operations combined with all the operators. Okay, for example, 2 plus 3 asterisk 4. What an expression? Priority wise means the highest precedence is given to the asterisk symbol. Okay. Now tell me what will be the output. It displays 50.
50, yes.
The first operation is going to perform with the exponential symbol, then multiplication symbol, and then plus operator. Okay, now we'll move to the next Python comparison operators. Python comparison operators, these operators are used to give the relation between two given input values. Okay, it provides you the relation between two input values. The various relational operators are given below. That is, first is double equal to. Double equal to, this value is going to compare whether it is equal to or not given value. For example, A is equal to B. If A and B values are same, then it returns true, otherwise it returns false. Okay. Then is not equal to. Okay, this operator is going to compare whether two given input values are equal or not. If it returns true, then both are not equal, and if it returns false, then both are equal. Greater than operator. This operator, greater than operator, this operator is used for the greater than comparison. Compare the two given input values, whether left hand side value is greater than right side value or not. It returns true if left side is greater, otherwise it returns false. Then less than symbol, it is used right hand side is greater than or not. That is, left hand is less than from the right hand side. Then greater than equal to, left hand side operand is greater than or equal to right hand operator or not. Then it returns true. Then less than equal to, left hand operator is less than or equal to the right hand operand or not. Okay. Okay, this way your comparison operators are going to work. Assignment operators, it is used for assigning the values from right hand side operands to the left hand side operands. For example, C equal to A plus B. What is the meaning? C is assigned with the values A plus B. Okay. Now, one more operations we are going to learn in the Python. Okay, like plus equal to, minus equal to, asterisk equal to, divide equal to, modulus equal to, exponent equal to, and floor division equal to. So what is the meaning of these operators? These operators are also called as augmented operators. Here I will write the spelling of augmented. Plus equal to, minus equal to, multiplication equal to, then floor division equal to, exponent equal to. These operators are called as augmented operators. So what is the meaning of these operators? If I am writing C plus equal to A, it is equivalent to C equal to C plus A. If I am writing C minus equal to A, then it is equivalent to C equal to C minus A. If I am writing C asterisk equal to A, then the meaning is C equal to C asterisk A. Okay, this expression is known as assignment expression. Now, how to execute with the augmented operators? Okay, logical operators are used with three operators: and, or, and not. Okay, there are three major logical operators: and, or, not, which you have seen in the computer organization paper. A and B, A or B, A not B. If both operands are true, then condition becomes true. If any one operation is true in the or, if any one operation is true, then it returns true. In not, used to reverse the logical state of its operand. Okay. This is the operator precedence given. So first you have the highest priority is given to which symbol? Exponential symbol.
Exponential.
Then we'll have the priority for the unary operators. There are two types of operators, unary and binary. Okay, there are two types of operators, unary and binary. Unary means it is going to execute only with one operand, and binary means you require two inputs, two operands you require. For example, plus and minus are the unary plus and unary minus. Then third priority is given to multiplication, division, modulo, and floor division. Okay. Then next is given to plus and minus, addition and subtraction. Then given to the comparison operators. Then equality operators. Then augmented and assignment operators. And the lastly, it is giving priority to the logical operators. Get it?